Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a source to your space on GitHub. So let us dive into this. Head over to GitHub, log into your account, click into these three lines in the top left and navigate to Microsoft Copilot. From there, navigate to Spaces and select the space you would like to go with. And next, what you want to do is click into this Add Sources button here and select a source, like for example a local one, like a file uploaded from your device, or text content, or you may add a repository, for example, pull requests and issues. So I will add a repository for the sake of this tutorial. Click into this button and after that search through your library or your account and select the repository you'd like to make the source of your space. And that's basically it. After that, it will be added to that list. So you may, for example, click into this checkbox here and after that, remove the repository or add specific files to the repository or folders. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.